Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to enable all permissions on the GCash app step by step. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for GCash and click on the GCash. Scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and delete back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, music and audio allow, nearby device allow, notifications enable, photos and videos allow, physical activity allow. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and go to Play Store and search for GCash and check update your GCash. My GCash already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your GCash app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.